In this video, we will take a look at how to create your Works Cited or References page using Easybib. Why should we cite sources? First of all, it helps you avoid plagiarizing. It allows others to retrace your research, provides evidence for your arguments, adds credibility to your work, and it's standard practice for scholars and students. So what does a citation consist of? Common elements of a citation are the author, date of publication, title of work, and information about the publication. Let's take a look at an article that I found in a library database. The information shown here gives all of the citation information, including the author, the title, the date of publication, and the publication information, including the journal title. So what does a citation look like? Here you can see that citation for that article in two different styles. The top one is the APA and the bottom is the MLA. So what does all this mean? The style guides dictate what your citation will look like, where and how the author's title, date, and publication information will appear. Here at NSCC, the two most common style guides used are the MLA and APA style guides. We have a database called Easybib that will format your citations for you. The easiest way to access Easybib is through Pipeline. Log into Pipeline. When you log into Pipeline before going to Easybib, you can pull your completed work, cited, or reference page directly into Google Docs. You'll see a library box on the left-hand side. Click on Easybib. When starting out with Easybib, it's best to create an account so you can save your citations and notes. Click on the Sign Up link at the top right. You can sign up a variety of ways. You can link directly to your email or Facebook, or you can fill in the form that's provided by Easybib. Each time you use Easybib, you should log in. By logging into Easybib, you can save your work and manage your citations as you find them. Once you have logged on, click on New Project to set up your citations list. Give your project a name. This could be the name of your paper or your topic. Choose a subject if you'd like, and choose the citation style you would like to use. Easybib will create your project. You can open it by clicking on Bibliography underneath the title. You are now ready to start entering your citations. For most research papers, the bulk of your sources will be from library databases. The library subscribes to many different databases, and each company which provides the database works differently with Easybib. We'll take a look at a few different databases. Let's take a look at how to cite a database using APA. So what is APA? APA stands for the American Psychological Association and is a common formatting style for essays and papers in the social sciences, business, and nursing. Generally, APA citations begin with the main contributors of the source, normally the author, and are placed before the title. After the contributor information and title comes the publication information. APA style does not require database information in its citations. You would cite the source found within the database, such as a journal article or photograph. Let's take a look at some of the library's databases. Let's take a look at our CINAHL database. This database is an EBSCO database. We have several databases from EBSCO. These are excellent databases covering just about every subject area. CINAHL offers access to top nursing and allied health journals, evidence-based care sheets, and quick lessons. To find an article, enter your search terms and click Search. Once you have found an article you would like to cite, take a look at the citation information. When citing journal articles, you want to include the DOI, or Digital Object Identifier, in the citation. The DOI information is located toward the bottom of the detailed record information. Easybib will add the DOI for you. To capture the citation and get it into Easybib, click on Export from the menu on the right. Choose Direct Export to Easybib and click Save. Click Import, and Easybib will add the citation to your project. Let's take a look at another article. In this article, there's no DOI information provided. You will need to include the URL of the homepage for the journal that published the article. Easybib does not always record this information, and you'll have to add it manually. Begin by exporting the citation just as we did in the last example by clicking on Export, Direct Export to Easybib, Save, and Import. The citation is added to your list. Because there is no DOI information, you'll have to find the URL for the publisher. To find this, click on the name of the journal in the citation information in the database. This will show you information about the journal, including the publisher's URL. Copy the URL. Go back to Easybib. Here you can click on Edit under the citation you would like to add this to. At the bottom of the citation form, you'll find a link to add annotation. You can add the publisher's URL here to include it in your citation. You should format this by including retrieved from with colon. Paste the URL and click Update Citation. This will add this information to your citation. Let's take a look at how to get an APA citation from our Films on Demand database. This database contains streaming videos on different educational topics. Once you have found a video that you would like to use, you can click on the title and it'll show you the video. If you would like to cite it, click on Citation under the video itself. Here you can access the APA citation, or you can click on Easybib and it will pull the citation into your project. It will fill in the form for you, click Create Citation, and Easybib will add it to your list. So let's take a look at how to get an APA citation from our eBrary database. Our eBrary database contains thousands of ebooks that you can access easily. Once you find a book you would like to use, click on the title. This will take you into information about the book. Copy and paste the ISBN or the title. Go to Easybib, click on the Book tab, paste your ISBN or title, and click Cite It. Easybib will look for the information about the book. Choose the one that you would like to cite, choose Online Database, verify the information, and click Create Citation. Easybib will add it to your list. Once you have gotten all of your sources into Easybib, you can prepare your citations for your paper. Citing is a two-part process. The first part is acknowledging the source with a brief notation after you use it in the body of your work, such as a parenthetical or in-text citations. This brief notation links your audience to the second part of your citation, which is your reference page. Parenthetical citations are what you put inside the text of your paper when you quote or paraphrase one of your sources. Generally, APA parenthetical citations include the last name of the author and year of publication. Page numbers are also included when citing a direct quote. These citations refer your reader to the references page where the complete information about the source can be found. Easybib will format parenthetical or in-text citations for you. You can find these by clicking on parenthetical in the source record in Easybib. You can then copy and paste this information into your paper, including the page number when appropriate. The second part of the citation is your references page or works cited page. This is a more detailed description of the source that is located at the end of your paper. This detailed citation allows your audience to find the creator and source and reuse the information themselves. Common elements of a detailed citation are author, date of publication, title of work, and source data. Click on Export. Here you can open your references page in Word or Google Docs. I recommend using Google Docs. As long as you are logged into Pipeline, Easybib will format your references page and open it in your Google Drive. Follow the instructions on the screen. And here's your correctly formatted references page. Google Docs automatically saves it for you. A few notes about your references page. This page should be labeled References at the top in the center. The entire list should be double-spaced. Every line after the first line should be indented 1/2 inch from the left margin. And the entire list should be alphabetized. Easybib will do all of this for you. There are a few things that you would like to clean up. For this record, we can take out this URL here. The APA citation does not require it. And here we have the publisher's URL in place of the DOI. You can rename your references page in your Google Drive to make it easier to find by just highlighting the title and typing in what you would like it to be called. Because we are in Google Drive, this is saved automatically. You can access it by coming back into Pipeline and clicking on Docs. This will open up your Google Drive and will include the Easybib citation that you imported. When I open up the paper, it links directly to my references page and is saved in the correct format.